Hi Oscar, here's how you actually answer the two questions that you need a little bit of help with. So on part A, you have found a common denominator of x cubed, which is fine, you can use that, although it would have been easier to have a denominator of x squared. But if we have a look at your one, to get this into x cubed, then you had to multiply top and bottom by x. And to change the other one into x cubed, you had to multiply top and bottom by x squared. Therefore, when you simplify, you get 2x plus 5x squared all over x cubed. Okay, but what you can't do is add 2x and 5x squared. You can only add x squareds together and x's together, so they're two different things. And at this point, because you made it slightly more complicated having a common denominator of x cubed, we do have to cancel out a factor of x in everything. So there's an x in the 2x, so that will go down to 2. 5x squared, when we reduce it or factorize an x out, we'll end up with just 5x. And then x cubed, when we take out a factor of x, we'll end up left with x squared. Okay, on part B, so the easiest common denominator on this one would be just to get the second fraction into something over 6x as well. Okay, so just be careful with that one. Just ignore my slight error there when I'm writing it out. Okay, so if we go back to trying to do this one, what you're aiming for is you can make them into something complicated by multiplying the two together, but actually it's much easier if we just have them in the lowest common multiple, which is going to be 6x for both. Therefore, I don't have to do anything to the first one. And the second one, I just needed to multiply it by 2. And therefore, we end up with 5 minus 2 over 6x. That will leave me with 3 over 6x, which I think is where you got to. However, both 3 and 6 are multiples of 3, so if we divide them through by 3, we get 1 over 2x, and that's your final correct answer. Okay, let me know if you've got any further questions.